Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Chinese with Trannum. Today we are going to learn how to introduce yourself in Mandarin Chinese. Let's get started. First, we will learn how to say hello in Chinese. If you are talking to one person, you will say ni hao, ni hao, hello. If you are talking to a group of people, you will say da jia hao, da jia hao, hello everyone. After this, you will say 我来介绍一下我自己. Let me introduce myself. Now your name. 我叫 plus your name. 我叫 Michael. My name is Michael. Your nationality. For this, you will say 我是 plus your country plus 人. For example, 我是美国人. I am American. You can also say this. 我来自 plus your country name. For example, 我来自美国. I am from America. If you are not living in your home country right now, you will also say this. 我来 plus country name plus time plus le. For example, if you are living in China for 1 year, you will say 我来中国一年了. I have been in China for 1 year. Now, let's talk about what you do, your occupation. For this, you will say 我是 plus your occupation. For example, if you are a teacher, you will say 我是老师. I am a teacher. If you are an engineer, you will say 我是工程师. If you are a doctor, you will say 我是医生. Let's talk about what you like, your hobbies. 我喜欢 plus your hobby. For example, 我喜欢看书. I like reading books. At the end, you will say 很高兴认识你. Nice to meet you. Now, revision. 复习. 你好，大家好，我来介绍一下我自己。我叫 your name. 我是 your country plus 人 or 我来自 plus your country. If you are not living in your home country right now, you will say 我来 country name, time and le. 我是 plus your occupation. 我喜欢 your hobby. 很高兴认识你。谢谢你 if you are talking to one person. If you are talking to a group of people, you will say 谢谢大家. Thank you, everyone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Learn Chinese with Tarannum. See you in the next one. Goodbye.